Welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Instagram avatars. If you've been wanting to update your avatar to better reflect your style, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together on how to edit your avatar on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're in, look for your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it to access your profile page. Next, you'll want to click and hold on your profile photo. This action will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Edit Profile at the top of your screen. This is where you can make all the necessary changes to your avatar. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, look for your avatar and tap on it. This will take you to the Edit Avatar option. Here, you can customize various aspects of your avatar to make it truly yours. Whether you want to change hairstyles, outfits, or facial features, this is your chance to get creative. After making all your desired edits, don't forget to click Save. This is crucial as it ensures that all your changes are stored and that your updated avatar is ready for everyone to see. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening the app, accessing your profile, editing your avatar, and saving, you can easily refresh your Instagram presence with a new look that represents you perfectly. Remember, avatars are not just fun. They're a great way to express yourself in a unique way on social media. So go ahead and give it a try. Happy editing!